A big real estate web suite here to show everybody. I mean, I've been working on it for about... Pause this. Go back. Okay. So, welcome. I have just filmed a video kind of detailing the demo for my app that I've been building. For me, I was surprised that GitHub only allows 25 megabyte upload size. So what we're going to do is we're going to showcase the video that I made on my Twitch. Link to it on my GitHub. And we'll go from there. So let me just fix my stream title. And there we go. Okay, so, and let me put this in. Okay. This is my Sunset Pulse app. I'm gonna introduce it myself. Hello everyone. This is Tossers, github.com/Tossers, with my new app Sunset Pulse. This is just like a I didn't go over little video to showcase what we've been working on here at Sunset.
What I used was JavaScript.
We've got
Python,
a big real estate web suite here to show everybody.
Java,
I've been working on it for about 2 months now, and we've got this nice 3D visualization engine, originally built on Java, just math, Java math, turning
Java math.class,
turning things into triangles, turning programming into triangles, into
delineating X and Y coordinates,
little 3D shapes, and then putting them onto each other, all done in the browser. And I even have, click on one and your theme will change.
You see these little green orbs?
How about that,
everybody?
Someone else randomizes your theme.
Listening.
And
that's kind of cool. So it shows, other
This is the home
people
page,
looking at this.
and from the home page you can search. I have something in Holly Ridge in Decatur in my listings here. So we've got Holly Ridge, a 2.5 acre house in Decatur, Texas, 3 beds, 2 baths, 2,200 square feet. Rent is monthly, And if you zoom out on this, go to Decatur, you'll see my estate is lit up. These are different points of interest, but this is the one we've got highlighted. If we go into, even zoom in further to the actual neighborhood, you can go to visual, get the satellite imagery on it. Go into details for Holly Ridge.
Now we go from the Explorer to the actual properties.
Going
API.
to show us, we can bookmark the property, we can share it, we can look at
all built on Rentcast API.
All the stuff for it, right? We've got market intelligence from Rentcast API.
Jamie parses all the intelligence, gives it to you in a digestible
description and
way.
details. We can retrieve insights with this button. We've got 2 schools near it, 1 hospital near it, 1 bus station. Description and retrieve insights with this button.
Okay, retrieve insights is what we're doing.
We've got 2 schools near it, 1 hospital near it, 1 bus station. We've got a high point density.
Point density, just points of interest, places to eat.
This is a work in progress. The Sunset Render engine.
Like a juvenile facility.
I have the ones on the home page that are
it's probably in there.
Personally crafted for aesthetic purposes, but I want to have a .obj file that can be
object file uploaded
completely generated right when this page opens up. And whoever is selling this house, the listing broker, or you know, the homeowner, the tech is getting better right now, where you can do it with your phone. But there are services you can pay for, usually around $1,500 to $2,000. They come and take a 30-minute video of your house, and it creates an OBJ file that we can even fly through.
Work in progress.
So that's Holly Ridge thing here. If you see, it's always going to be zoomed into a city. Now, if you swap it to visual, you can see truly how much of this there is. There's a lot you can look at. I even have for testing foreign listings. I have a listing all the way over here in listing
over there.
That is how you're going to search through listings, and this will be connected to the MLS once the app is live, and you'll see listings all over the country. This is for merch. You know, this doesn't have to be a bacon cheeseburger. This could be really anything. This could be whatever your company, your LLC is selling, and you know, you can add them to the cart and then pay with your card. Here's what we're built on architecture-wise. We have server-side rendering, you know, optimize route handlers,
identity management.
The data fetching is all done
with Auth2,
behind everything.
Google. You can make your own account.
You can see
it'll send you a verification email.
Companies like Anthropic, Claude are brute forcing queries, and what we're doing is a reverse of that. We're sending that brute force query through an even cheaper LLM that's going to save data, make everything way more scalable, because you know, you just can't do that for every user. You're going to need your AI to be able to like actually know how to look at the question, frame the question in a way that saves tokens, not just send 6-7 queries all just to fix a very simple problem. So you don't want that to happen, and that's what I'm talking about when I say scalable data fetching. You have
that is persistent.
I'll show you this.
I mean,
the geometric analysis on the spatial data engine is very, very advanced. It's using these algorithms, and it can take these little data points, just 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, you know, this many square feet, and it can translate that into a 3D engine, something that you can see, which is really, really what I want to scale up in the next month. I want it to be very realistic and very optimized graphics pipeline, and performance-wise, it's really efficient. I think I can add way more to it before it starts breaking. So there's going to be physics-based movement, momentum. I mean, like if you are in a bedroom, or you're in like the master bedroom, and you're moving into the master bathroom, and you hit a wall, it's going to push you back. I really want it to be almost like you're there at the house, but you're just on your computer. You're using WASD movement, hovering, what have you, and you're able to check out this house. Actually, I think I could do it right here. We've got Jamie, and we've got Jamie's system dashboard. Now we can ask Jamie questions like, what is the average rent in Euless, Texas?
Intercepting local intel.
So
I'm accessing up-to-date rentcast data from my internal systems. According to the most recent MLS analysis, the average rent in Euless, Texas, is currently $1,745 per month for a single-family home.
In-depth answers.
This figure is based on a comprehensive scan of local listings. Keep in mind, this number is dynamic, and I'd be happy to provide an updated scan should you require it. As a side note, I've also located a notable listing nearby Sunset.
And see, you see that last part. Keep in mind that this number is dynamic, and I'd be happy to provide an updated scan should you require it. Now, as an investor, think about this point that Jamie is very well versed in: the mere reality of numbers. When you send more queries, your app has greater overhead. Inside Jamie's intelligence layer, inside his data grounding, is a directive to use, like, if this is a rural area, Euless, but it is always changing. So if Jamie understands his data can be outdated, and so he'll give you things like this, little confirmation messages. Do you want me to send a powerful query on this? Do you need the greatest, the most up-to-date information for this point in particular? You can dig deeper and use stuff like that on stuff that's important to you, like hospital data, school stuff, bus stop density, different things that people use to try to get past FHA stuff. But as a real estate sales agent, I cannot give you that information. Although it can be considered digital steering if I use it in a certain way. Jamie has safeties. He's on Rails, and he's not allowed to intermingle data, and he's only saving it for 30 days. So for all of these reasons, he's trying his best to
Grill.
play to data.
Would you like me to pull the details on that property?
He knows that there's a listing here that maybe you'd like to look at. And this is all done on dummy data. I'll need to really, really optimize this for the full MLS data experience. I'll have to scale it up in the next month. But right now, I do believe the UI is strong, and much of what Jamie's talking about makes sense.
What is the system dashboard?
So we've got an event stream here.
With an event stream, every time
These are all from when I was clicking those buildings.
Randomized my themes.
We've got system controls. Right now we're on Razael.
Court of Angels. Don't need to know.
You could
that.
even set the current theme as your default as you're working.
Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Peace.